when I got home from work, and I did notice him right away. He was in rough shape, ton of mats, fleas, malnourished, and just a giant wound on the side of his face. He just looked like he really needed some help. And so we got him home.
Stop, it's okay, it's okay. Oh my god.
Can you get the scissors again?
Yeah.
We learned that the scratching is what caused his face wound. So I just really sat down with him for maybe like 2-3 hours. And because I've always been with him in those times, I really got his trust.
It's okay, we're almost done. Almost done.
Being a house cat, I must have been traumatizing for him. He was cautious towards strangers. And if something is left open, he'll go for it. I had 2 other cats. And Max, he just saw a potential invader. But Keiko's a friendly, curious cat. He saw him as like a little brother. He'll play with him, entertain him. And when Gnar was having issues of where to poop, Keiko would come cleaning it up after him. And just watching how they did it gave him confidence to overcome that issue. Gnar picked up after Keiko's curiosity. If we're working on something or doing something, they're investigating whatever's happening.
Gnar!
Even though the cone kind of messes with his vision and he can't open the door,
Wanna get out, Gnar?
he loves the cone. In fact, if I take off the cone, he starts getting really scared and he'll end up scratching. So he's very comfortable in it. Ever since I first saved him, he's got a lot more affection. Even though he's the highlight of the day,
I'm sorry.
he gets very jealous when I show other people love.
Gnar. Gnar.
He's my best friend and I love him.